Today, we're going to show you how to replace a Chevy Tahoe key fob battery. This is going to work on 2019 to 2021 Chevy Tahoes. So all you're going to do is press on this button right here to release the emergency key. Then you can see there's this little notch over here on this side where the emergency key sits in. You're actually going to insert the key just a little ways, and then you twist to kind of pop this all off and pry it apart. That's going to then give you access to the compartment where the battery is located. Now all you're going to do is this should just drop out here if you tap it like so. Then this is where I like to use a screwdriver, and I'm just going to insert it underneath here and then pry up that actual battery right here. These do take CR2032 batteries, so I need to use a replacement CR2032 battery, which I've got right here. And then you want to actually make sure that this side is up and the positive side is down into the controller here. We press back down into the key fob, and now we're going to replace this board right here. You want to make sure that you have this the right way, so you can see that little contact lines up over there with the battery. Make sure you get that nice and pressed down in there gently. And then we're going to take the top to our Chevy Tahoe key fob battery, and we're going to gently put that back on and get it lined up on both sides. And then we're just going to press to snap everything in place. Now all we need to do is put our emergency key back in, and that is how you replace the key fob battery for a Chevy Tahoe. Hope you enjoy. Give us that thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links below if you want to support us.